the rubber bit in.
Yeah.
Because that jack's a bit little bigger.
Let's go, Oh mate, look at the splitter. Fucking hell.
Demon just got out of can. I gave my bro in advance.
Good afternoon guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel today. So in the back is a set of Stance Plus coilovers. Now we're going to be fitting them to the Mini today, and you're probably all wondering, Luke, why have you gone for like a cheaper set of coilovers? I'm supposed to be turning this into a track car, and I am actually turning this into a track car, but going for more of the track looks. I'm not going to be tracking it like all the time, like running track races and things like that. I'm going to be going on track now and then. And plus, I kind of want to go for like a budget build as well, because just to prove to everyone that you can make a decent, nice enough like looking car, track car, and that while setting yourself a budget and doing things like that. Now I've heard good things about them, which is the reason why I went for them, and not like the cheapest of the cheap. So we're going to fit them today with a friend of mine called Brandon. He's got an air ride. He's got a bagged Mark 5, I think it's Mark 5 Golf GTI DSG. You'll see it when we get there. I'll record it. It's awesome. I'll do a few videos, a few little clips, maybe a few cinematics of it. But we're gonna head off today, which is Paynton, which is about an hour away from here, and then we're gonna get on and film fitting these coilovers today. The car's gonna look 10 times better when it's dropped. Obviously, I'm gonna have to get the I want to get Hunter wheel alignment done on it as well, because that's why I haven't bothered with doing the wheel alignment or anything like it yet. But I can't wait. So let's head off to Paynton, and once we get there, guys, I'll carry on filming for the rest of the day.
Well, I wouldn't need would have been anywhere.
Right, hey, so I've got Brandon down here giving us a hand. This is his Golf over here. Well, I'll do like a full video on it another time. Well, I'll do a video on it later on, but like I'll do a full cinematic on it. It's on air. What power's it running, Brandon?
Like 270?
270, that's DSG as well, isn't it? Yeah, DSG as well, everything on there. Sick. He might even be selling it soon, because he wants one of these.
Yeah, I do.
So if anyone wants to buy it, get in touch. I'll pop it as Instagram and that in the description down below anyway. Sweet. But for today, we're gonna do lower S. I'm just real worried about this split, because look how low it is already. It just looks like a monster truck, this Mini at the minute, so
you're gonna have problems getting out.
I'm gonna be on the floor, aren't I? Pretty much.
It scraps like fuck when you get out.
Is it?
Yeah. My missus has got it anyway.
Shit. This should be fun. Coilovers. And here the coilovers are, so obviously guessing that's one adjustment too. Quite fancy as well in the purple. I quite like the purple and the black. So we're gonna go with the fronts first and then do the rears after. It should sit real nice after it's all done.
Really? Yeah. Outside the shop.
If anyone wants to know what a top mount size bolt is, 21. Brandon's just found out. We're going through like half his toolbox set. So that's the plan, pop these first, innit? And then loosen them a bit.
I'm not gonna pop them.
Loosen them.
Loosen them a bit.
Loosen them a bit, get the wheels off and start taking everything off.
Do the risky.
Sweet.
Fucking almost went straight for the sale. To be fair, Luke, that side might be alright with the rubber bit in. Yeah. Because that jack's a bit little bigger.
Flat as well, isn't it?
Yeah. If you want, we can lift both sides up and fight this jack off. Yeah, I was gonna say you park to left a little bit. Go back a bit. That's weird design, that is, isn't it?
Right, so we had a bit of a problem with getting this one on. Finding a place to actually stand it. Look, we put it on the subframe right there. Brandon's just going to jack it up on the other mount, the other little rubber block over there. And it should be alright. I mean, it's off the ground off anyway. And we don't want to do it one at a time because it'd be awkward as fuck. Right, so about to start taking it. We've got to take this bolt out here, drop link out, and then obviously just make sure you remove all these little rubbers and that out, because obviously like your brake wear sensors and things like that, and everything connected to the ABS ring. That's got to come out. Like Brandon said down here. Oh, I was saying that, Brandon.
Yeah.
On this side, you know that little thing you just noticed?
Yeah.
They ain't got one on this side.
No.
No.
Does it look like it's meant to have one?
No.
Oh.
Just one-sided, so I don't know.
All
I have to
it is
see.
is to like know your like ride height and whatnot, basically.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to get like adjustable drop links though, because I think these will be way too long and it will probably knock. But that is something we can just get in the future anyway. I just have to put up the knocking for a bit.
Just gotta be careful with the
Oh, so it's fairly loose, isn't it?
Yeah, it's loose, but then it'll just spin.
Yeah, it is spinning. Let's get these rubbers off. Oh, that's that disconnected. Alright, so let's get this bottom strut bolt out. That's alright, I went pretty easy enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
So is it
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, off camera I'll put these new spacers on, because I remember telling you, look, I had like a clunker noise when I was turning left to right, and it was because of those shitty aftermarket universal spacers I had on it. So I got some hump-centric ones this time, and these are 5mm, so these hold up a lot better and don't cook out as much. Spray a bit of nail, it might come out fairly easy then. Bottom of that, yeah.
How low are you going to go?
Alright, so getting out. Brandon's just taking out the top mount bolts at the minute. Just give it a bit more, so you can take that strut out there, so it should be right. I hope it's done by like 5. Oh, don't be like it, come on.
Wait, what's this meat anyway?
We've got a meet to go to later as well, anyway. Huh?
What is it? Just
And that's like a big modified, the Cornwall meat they do over here. Nightmare that was, right. Got it out. We was thinking about taking out the bottom ball joints out, but without a hammer, hitting it on this bit here, there's enough to get it out. Might just grease this up a bit. I did hit it a bit there, but that didn't really matter too much. But all the clips are out and stuff like that. Just make sure you don't damage these, because these like your ABS string sensors and things like that, like especially that there. Yeah. I mean, you can take your drive shafts out on that if you want, but it's not really needed. But got it out now. Just need to get the top mount off it and then put it on a new coilovers.
Get Corbin to do it, he'll bring your
There goes
straps
top mount. Ready to see us flying into that cat over there. See? It's right. There you go. I went too bad. It's alright. Right, little disclaimer. Make sure if you're doing this at home, try and get a spring clamp or something. And obviously, don't do it the way we're doing. So, put everything back together. Brandon's going to get everything in place here. So get it all lined up. I think with how far it's gone up so far, it should be enough. I mean, we can adjust it once it's dropped, like Brandon said anyway, but it should be right. Go up?
yeah, right. It did just go in, but obviously it fell back down.
There you go, it's gone in now.
Yeah, Sam.
What?
You wanna
Start doing that, not there.
hold this side?
Might be easy down here.
2 seconds.
Let me know when.
Yeah, son.
You know what, being a YouTuber doing one-handed shit, it's not easy to fucking thing to say. So Brandon's about to do the top mount bolt back up, but we've had a little bit of a problem. Obviously these drop links here are way too long for the front, so we tried switching it around back to front, putting the drop link in, but it just doesn't go in either. So what we're going to do is just leave it. I mean, it's only there really to control the body roll and stuff like that, so it might make a knocking noise, but at least I know what it is. And then I've ordered shorter in front and rear drop links now, so it'll be alright. Alright, Brandon's loving life down here. Put the other one in. We're literally just putting back together now. Just doing that bottom strut bolt. Are you doing the
It's done
track rod bolt? Is it?
Yeah, I was, but it's done.
Track rod bolt's done.
Just wheels now.
Nah, this bottom strut bolt's got to go in. Yeah.
Oh, right.
We haven't done that one up yet. We'll do that up, and then we can drop it on the front and see how low it is on the front. Then.
Yeah, that's good. I'll go and get some.
Jacking it up to get this actual stand out a bit more. See how this looks. Drop it down.
Oh my god.
Tuck's a bit nice, isn't it? Oh mate, look at the splitter. Fucking hell. No way I have to take that splitter off.
No, don't take the
How much?
Mate, I'm gonna have to take that
Don't
splitter
forget-
off.
don't-
There's
no, don't
fucking
forget-
no way.
Don't forget your
Look at that, mate, there's no-
cars. Don't forget your cars like at an angle like that, so it's going to put the splitter down.
Yeah. Yeah, but the suspension's not even settled yet, so it'll go down even more as well.
Was it maxed out on the cooler?
When you drop the handbrake on that, that's gonna go down even more.
How much
It's
was
not so
that?
much the front, it's the rear that.
How much was that on the coilover?
Fuck.
It's pretty much all the way.
Oh really?
Look at the fucking arch, man.
No, I might as well
Right,
spray this
ran into a
back.
few problems. When we dropped it, right,
Just a few.
it's hitting against the strut on the inside. Now, it's pretty close again still. I think there's literally about 2-3 mil in it, but it should be fine. And then Brandon's found out that this is like a good, decent height for it, because he said it's going to settle a bit more. So that's both the fronts done at the height. We're going to leave it up for now anyway. Obviously it looks raky at the front because the rears are still up, but it'll settle out a bit. The splitter once we drop the rear. So let's get that done now, and should all be good. So me and Brandon are getting onto the. Well, actually, I started stripping out the rear because we thought the top mount was up here, but it's not. But I'm putting a rear strut brace in here soon anyway, so I thought I might as well just take that out. Just got to take this rear bottom arm bolt out from the strut. And then I think Brandon's pretty much. I don't think you have to take you don't have to take drop links out, which is good. So should be all right. Fingers crossed anyway, because we're not having much luck with this Mini at the minute. Okay, so top mounts out. This should literally just. Well, obviously we're gonna have to take the top mount off this one and put it on the old one because just put it on the new one. I mean, because the new ones don't come with new top mounts, but it shouldn't be too hard. Hopefully, anyway.
Fucking hell, shit me up like this.
Right, there we go. Round 2 on the back. About to go pink. Some thread on that. Let's go. So that is how it sits then, is it? Alice still having a little play around. Brandon's got it to fit. Although that needs to go up.
Yeah, no,
really,
but once it compresses.
Yeah, it should be right, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. How far up do you reckon we'll go?
We'll see that when it's on a car.
Slam it on the back, it'll be slammed.
Yeah.
It's fair though, you probably can because it's not going to have any spaces on the back, is it? Right, it's getting dark, but we've got this one done now. We pretty much know what we're going to be doing next. Just jacking this up so we can get line it up for the bolt. That's just right, isn't it? There's the bolt here. Hold on. But at least you don't have to take the drop links off this one, so it's alright. Where's it going now? Yeah, it's tight, isn't it? Right. Fucking hell. Oh, that Brandon, can you see what you did?
Yeah, I'm not going to buy a Mini anymore.
You're not going to buy a Mini?
No.
Been out here like what, 5 hours?
Yeah.
How has it been? 5 hours you got?
Okay.
5, 6 hours? 7 o'clock now. We've got here like, what, 1:30, I think.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. Gonna move on to this rear one now. I probably won't record much of it because it's getting real dark. So once it's done and the car's low, we'll try to go to a little spot where it's a lot lighter and I can show how it sits. But yeah, we've just got to do this one and then tighten up the top mounts on the front and that's it. We're pretty much done. Right, Brandon, all done.
Yeah, finally.
Cheers for doing that, man.
It's alright.
Cheers for Kai coming along as well. Give us a hand.
Watching.
That's how it is at the minute. Can't really see much on camera, but we're just going to go to like a little location at the minute and get some photos and stuff, so I'll show you in that lighting a bit better. Right, look, this is how the car actually sits now. I'm going to pop the back up a little bit more, but yeah. We're just putting another handle on this side and then well, we've got one on the other side, but we're just going to put one on this side. That's how it sits right now. Pretty sick. We'll put the back up there, like I said, but big up to Brandon for giving us a hand and Kai coming down as well. Yeah, but it's way nicer. Don't it? Looks sick. Right, so I'm going to wrap the video up here. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button as well. I'll pop everyone's Instagrams and social media links in the description down below if you want to check out. And I'll also pop a link to where I got these coilovers to as well. So it's a bit mental, but like once you know what you're doing with this car and with coilovers and stuff like that, it's it's a lot quicker. It just took us so long because we were new but it just looks so mad now. I can't wait to get like a GP rear spoiler and that on this. Just goes so nice with that diffuser. And I need to get exhaust system done as well, but for now, it's got the lows. It's looking sick. So yeah, guys, I'll see you all next video. We'll do a few more bits in the Mini, and yeah, I'll catch you then. Cheers.